Hey guys, happy March to everybody. Andrew the Realtor here. So here's my quick market update. It's a biggie, guys. There's a continuing pattern here, but at the end, we're going to see how good I've been doing or bad. We'll see in terms of my predictions. So let's have a look. See, minimize myself here and present. Oh, too far. Oh, too far ahead there. Okay, so here we are. The market last month has been, well, it's been crazy. And I'm sorry to use the same word over and over again. I've been using it for several months now. The idea is, or the point is, sales are up 52%, over 52%. As you can see, your average price is almost 15%. That's on average. Detached, as you can see down here at the bottom left, is particularly strong. You're looking at, I mean, look at the price difference, unbelievable. Now, that does include big expensive homes. It does include all of the GTA. Toronto, certainly the Toronto market has 7 million and 700,000. There's a difference. But nonetheless, on average, look how much higher everything is. And so the key, really, the amazing thing to see how is the market actually working is if you look over here on active listings are actually down 1%. So the point is inventory, as it said, standing inventory, as in what's available right now, condos, homes, and those kinds of things, properties, active are pretty much the same as last year. And yet we're selling at a clip of 52% higher than before. What that means is if you look at new listings are up almost 43%. We're listing so much, but because the demand is eating up everything, the inventory itself numerically it hasn't even changed much. So that is why we have incredible amount of sales. That is also why the days on market, listing days on market, or property days on market right here, down 17% to 19 days on market. Now that takes into that, remember that's an average. Some homes sit on market for 3 months, multi-million properties, whereas others are selling in 4 or 5 days with an offer date. That's the reality of things. So in that aspect, things have not changed from the last time I did this review for you guys last month, but condo market continues to go a little bit below. Minus 3.7, that's on average. So in essence, when I'm looking at some buildings downtown Toronto, for example, the prices I'm seeing right now in units are literally the same, or pretty much the same prices I saw last year, and even a little bit before that. So, guys, one thing I've been telling a lot of folks, some of my investor friends, first-time home buyers right now, we're having bidding wars in Belleville, Aurelia, Barrie, out to Cambridge in London, up to the Kawarthas. Multiple offer situations, bidding wars, homes selling over asking. What's the point? If you're a first-time home buyer, I'm not saying it's impossible, not at all. I would never discourage, certainly not my clients. But have a look at the condo market. You're buying in 2021 at 2019 and 2020 prices. Remember that. It might not last even till the end of the year. As Trev is saying here, they've been off before. I think maybe it'll be a little bit later, but condo market, guys, keep an eye on it. Investors, first-time home buyers, contact me. I'll run you through some specific buildings. Investors, I'll run you through the building or complex, and I'll tell you what the rent has been. That's a biggie. So next, attention sellers, this situation here, I'm going to minimize myself. Not that I'm very important anyway. Yep, this is from last month and from the month before that. This is exactly it. I'm still waiting for this to happen. We're still waiting to get to that 10 to 11,000 active listings so we can slow down a tad. Active listings is going to be the seller's market. So this prediction still going on, everything exactly as is. This still applies from last month. For buyers, yes, you're going to be paying more because of the premium of 2021 and because of just the way the market is with the demand that's available and the competition that you have. At the same time, interest rates are still very, very low. So have a look at these overall. You can look at these numbers. Feel free to pause this and take a look at this. This is generic numbers. You know, I didn't go into specifics. This is generic numbers I got from a business coach of mine. And the main thing is amount paid off after 5 years. You paid more up front. Not the best, but you'll be paying off a lot of principal. Keep that in mind, guys. And last but not least, how is this aging? This is from 3 months ago. So what I thought, 3 takeaways for 2021. This is, I think, January that this certainly had this last month. Mortgage rates continue to be low, but might come up a little bit. That's the rumor right now. They might be coming up sometime soon, a tad. So keep an eye out for that. Spring market will start early. It did start in the very beginning of February instead of usually, Valentine's Day-ish. And the prices of all types of properties will continue to go up. Condo market lagging behind. Check, check, and check. So guys, that point being, I know at least a little bit of what I'm talking about. This is where the market is going. Keep an eye out for condos, and guys, above all, whatever situation you're in, these days we're making a game plan for everyone. I can do that for you. Call me.